so what I'm doing today is building a box to protect the wastewater tank. It's a 50-litre wastewater tank. I'm going to put it under the bus, below the sink, and obviously the stone's flying up. It's only plastic. It's solid, but I just feel it needs protection under there. So what I've done is I've had a bit of colour bond sheeting that I've left over. Basically bent it, folded it into shape. So I'm manufacturing the supports to go around the box. So basically, you're paying about $60, $65, $70 for a set of these. Probably put something over the top or on the beam. There's beams running through the bus, of course, so I'll probably put something in there to soften it against the plastic, so when it rubs it doesn't rub. The plastic might just be a bit of rubber or something just to protect it. Drain from the sink in the shower, and then of course that's the outlet. We'll put a tap on that. That'll have a hose running straight into it. So that's around about where it's going to go. Yeah, there it is, upside down. You can see it all. I'll probably put a bit of paint on this just to protect it, and of course we've got the drain holes, some little furrows that'll take any water that gets in there in the wet weather out of it. Just pop riveted these on. I don't think there's any need to do more than that. Remember, that's facing the back.